Hello guys, this is the Swiss Champ pocket knife from Victorinox. It's a medium-sized pocket knife and it comes in 4 colors: blue, black, and two different shades of red. It has 33 functions. That's how it looks with the $1 bill up to here, up to there. We have a large blade. You have to be very careful on how you handle these. I already cut myself. This is how the large blade looks. Very sharp. We got a smaller blade on the other side. A file. We got a wood saw, very sharp. You gotta be very careful with this one. We got the standard scissor that comes with all the Victorinox. I'm assuming with most of them. Very sharp too. I already cut myself with this too. What it is? Magnifying glass to start some fires, some bottle openers, and these can be used as a flathead screwdriver as well. This is a can opener. There's another flathead screwdriver here, a small one. Fish scaler here. Centimeters and inch. Corkscrew, and we have a mini screwdriver right here. We got a hook. We got a key ring. We got a pen. And a toothpick. It's a pretty awesome pocket knife. I've been using it quite a lot and I'm very happy with it.